I don't want to touch it. I'm scared.
Yeah, you don't want to touch it.
No, I don't?
No.
Okay,
you
well,
want to know what that is?
Really? Out of all the spots a bird can poop, that's where you're at? I don't know if it's gonna be a good day or not. A bird just pooped. I washed my car. Look at this. Look at this. It's just so clean in here. Bird pooped and all of a sudden it just started raining in Phoenix. It's supposed to rain today? Hey Siri, is it going to rain today? What does that mean? 20% chance. This is why design is always important. I'm gonna show something to Zach. Okay, you ready?
That K is not well defined.
That was a mistake. Now should know something's up.
You know, I want a cool, trendy font. That's Okay, men's ministry, name tags. You ready?
On their chest, they're walking around with that. Hey, Hector.
Can we go get some chocolate?
Why do cows have hooves? Because they lactose.
Because they lactose? Wow.
That's a joke, isn't it, Dad?
What's with that laugh? What was that?
I like that laugh.
You don't know where that's from?
What's that laugh from?
You want me to show you?
You think it sounds like something she'd say? I like that laugh.
Look at my posture, it's so good.
It is.
Oh, you're so bouncy.
Is that what you're supposed to do?
I don't know.
I don't
about
snap.
this one.
Why, you work?
I mean, no, I don't think it's supposed to be for one.
The dog, he's Asian. His niece is supposed to be Asian.
There you go. You got it. Ah!
And she's wearing skirts.
Alright, okay. What is this?
What do you think that is?
It's like somebody's face stain.
Like someone's put their face up against the window.
No.
Like your uncle went
Or
up
it
there
could
and
be a
put his face on it.
basketball.
Yao Ming.
Yao Ming?
I don't want to touch it. I'm scared.
Yeah, you don't want to touch it.
No, I don't?
No.
Okay,
You
well,
want to know
I'm
what
out.
that is?
A bird crashed into
sees a reflection and pop.
Michael, get him away from your head. He's covered in germs and bacteria.
Now, you can't get diseases from a bird.
That's the wings.
Oh, snap. It is a bird.
The body. That's why I was looking for a carcass right here, but they cleaned it up.
Our administrative tasks, that would be lit. Hey guys, thank you so much. This Thursday.
Trying to get that clickbait going. What is this for?
Alright, you're on.
Good to see you back.
See you, thank you.
Go ahead, but if you shoot me, I'm gonna shoot you.
Oh! Oh, that's shot. No, let's not touch this.
Hey guys, it's Pastor Ken. I want to tell you guys about the hotel room. The pillows are dirty.
Yeah, I don't. What is that? I don't know. What is?
There is blood on my pillow.
Yo, man.
It was. I liked
That was a good video. Why you gotta be hate?
He's my favorite youth pastor ever.
Yes! Yes!
But he doesn't really have much of a comparison because I've had terrible youth pastors.
The bar is set really, really low. Yeah. So you know what people used to say when I used to, before I was married? They would say, "Hey, you're pretty good looking for an Asian." Wow. I knew it. I knew it. So what is that supposed to mean? Nick's gonna subscribe, just like you should.
Everybody
Just
should
like
know.
you should. Yeah.
Get this man to 1 mil.
1 mil. 1 mil.
It is my everything. It's so good. It's so funny.
Oh, no, I don't want to be a
I'm
local
gonna
call.
subscribe to you.
All right, subscribe to me.